Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm back with another awesome video. So today I'm actually going to be showing you guys some new layouts I got from Layover Layouts of Los Angeles Airport. They're different sections. I got T5 American Terminal, T78 United, and the West Gates. So eventually we're going to make like giant layouts of like all the terminals together, but for now we got little snippets here so we can just kind of, have some fun, lay the different airplanes out, and just kind of show you guys some LAX action here. So there's that, and also a sneak peek of my JetBlue Terminal 5, TWA, and terminal at JFK here. I got it all set up, getting ready for the next video, so you guys will see that later this week, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe for more. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed the video, and also Instagram and TikTok at Model Airport Nation, and of course right here on YouTube, Model Airport Nation. So I'm getting pretty good at that. So without further ado guys, let's get right into the video. Let's go. All right, so here is the box from Layover Layouts. Honestly, this is one of the smaller boxes because I've had like even a larger layout for JFK. This thing is massive, but yeah, let's get these out and let's take a look and see what these look like. Let's see if I can get this out here. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, we have the layouts here, and I'm just gonna roll them out here. So here we go. So these are different sections of LAX Airport, like I said. So, oh my gosh, look at that. That is really cool. So yeah, basically you have the T5 and Layover Layouts version. And then we also have T7 and 8 United. Holy cow. Guys, this is insane. So I didn't realize it cut off so far right there, but like I said, in the future, we will have a giant mat. So I'll have all the gates together here. But guys, look at this. This is incredible. I'm already amazed. Let's take a look at all. So here's a nice detailed view of the United terminal here. Lots of details on the layout. You can see the stands here of Terminal 8. Really cool. I can't wait to get my United airplanes on this. I have a terminal from Jet Set Models, and I'll also be adding Terminal 7 and 8. I have a connecting Terminal 7 and 8 coming from Tarmac Designs Indiana that I will be adding to this replacement of that. But I do highly recommend Jet Set Models for all your model airport needs. They do terminals, GSE, and everything. So yeah, basically just gonna kind of switch them out here and there. But yeah, here's the terminal here. They basically, somebody else had commissioned this, so it's a lot cheaper once you buy them after that. But yeah, let's check out terminal, or the West Gates here. Set this right here. Stand by. All right, so here are the West Gates. Let's give you guys a nice detailed view here. I will have a layout in the future too with this attached with a Layover Layouts T-bit. So stay tuned for that. That's probably realistically half a year out for that one. But yeah, we'll show you guys lots of awesome content here with this new mat. Very, very, very excited to get this up and running in the near future, so stay tuned. Wow guys, just stunning details here. I think I'm gonna have Tarmac Designs Indiana create a West Gates terminal, and then I'll be able to attach to the new terminal the smaller gates that they are gonna add on here. So, or that they are currently adding on. So stay tuned for that. Really cool. So without further ado guys, let's get to the next layout here. But yeah, I'm honestly speechless. This is really awesome. All right, everybody, and finally last, we have this amazing layout by Layover Layouts. This is the American Airlines Terminal 4. Correct me if I'm wrong, but Terminal 4 here. You guys can see the absolutely stunning work Christian Layover Layouts has done. Pretty much the same thing as kind of have as the No Point Airport, but kind of wanted to see like Layover Layouts' version of it. And also this kind of extends so I can also put the JetBlue planes as well in Spirit. But yeah, lots of great stunning detail. Layover Layouts is version here. And like I said, again, we're going to be extended. So basically, I'm going to have a whole new layout of this going all the way down to basically United Terminal 8. So it'll all be in one layout eventually here. But yeah, you guys can see kind of like the Layover Layouts version here. Really cool. A lot brighter colors. I know they're kind of they're kind of redoing the gates here, so I think we'll have like the newer gates, or the way they are, you know, laid out once that construction's done too on the new layout. So again, that'll also probably be like probably about half a year until we do that one. We'll see. But yeah, guys, really cool. Really happy with this. So I hope you guys enjoy my new layouts and content coming in the near future here. I do have terminals for all of these. I have the American Airlines terminal from Jet Set models that I will put on here. Show you guys in the near future here. So stay tuned. A lot of videos coming soon. I highly recommend Layover Layouts for all your basically your model airport layout needs. Jet Set models 400 for all your terminals and GSC needs, and also Tarmac Designs Indiana for all your terminal needs. So Tarmac Designs did all this. They're absolutely incredible. And Jet Set Models did all these awesome vehicles here, the fire trucks, and some of my other terminals. So highly recommend them. Again, thank you guys for watching today. Model Airport Nation here. Instagram, TikTok, Model Airport Nation. YouTube right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And please subscribe for more. Really helps me out. And yeah, guys, happy collecting. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Again, happy collecting.